I don't know how this fire started, but to come home and see this is crazy. Yeah, so it is Wednesday, and I kind of just decided that, yeah, I need to probably start vlogging these few things that I'm doing because it's go home time. Yay! I'm happy to go home. So I'm going home this Sunday, and today is Wednesday. Tomorrow, if things works out well, I should be going to Six Flags. So that's another vlog for y'all that you need to stay tuned for. I don't think I would post it before this. Probably because this will show me actually leaving US. So you guys probably would have seen the Six Flag video. Enjoy it. I hope you guys liked it. And if you've never seen it as yet, or if you haven't seen it as yet, click the link above or it's in the description, or when this video finish, we'll put it at the end for you guys to just follow up. But anyways, so I am actually trying to get things together. So I had my mannequin head, and that's what I'm styling my wig that I want to wear go back home. Yo, honestly, I can't bother sometimes, but to be honest, me I fling on everything I can fling on to take the space and the weight out of the suitcase. So I'm putting on my wig. My wig is thick, so she full. She probably a pound. I'm just being extra, but yeah, I'm gonna wear my wig. So I'm styling her right now, and then after that, I have my makeup brushes that I haven't washed since the wedding. Yeah, so I need to wash out those. I'm gonna wash them out and have them dry. So it's not like Jamaica where just have a look nice sun. Well, there is sunlight, but there's nothing really here for me to kind of accommodate those stuff. So I'm gonna just wash it out and rest it on the bathroom sink. I make it dry overnight. Probably fling my blow dry upon it. I don't know, but I want to start packing, and I have started to pack as well as actually. So my small suitcase, which is my carry on, I kind of actually start packing that. I have a few spaces that I can put more clothing item in there, but that's probably after I wash, which I want to do on Friday after the trip. Hopefully, I'm back at the house actually, cause I don't know how tomorrow's gonna go, to be honest. And I'm gonna wash Friday and put the clothes up in that suitcase and mix it between my check. Now my thing is that seeing that I'm going to pack a barrel, I have to go over the declare section. I can't deal with customs, so I want to be as light as possible, because if that wasn't the case, I have my second suitcase. Although it had tear up and more for dash away, it could have last for the one more trip back to Jamaica, and I could put the additional things in there, not necessarily having to I guess worry about that. But seeing that I'm trying to have less bags with me, so it doesn't really like raise red flags, although the items in there are generally what I already brought up with me, and everything else is very cheap items. It's nothing that should raise red flags, but I just don't like customs. Them just very weird. I don't have anything of, I guess, high value in there, like phones, electronics. I have nothing in there, and that's why I'm actually trying to wear my wigs, because Lemnicosi said the wigs in my bag are mine, and I'm actually a wig wearer. So don't play with me. These are my things. So yeah, yeah, generally. So I'm just hoping everything fits, because the suitcase isn't really that big. The suitcase that I was using firstly, that's kind of mashed up now. That one is bigger, but the one that I have working with now, it should be able to carry the things. I know the thing about it, it's smaller, so hopefully that means I shouldn't pass the 50 pounds. And that's why with the barrel, I entered to put the heavier things in there. It's just that these items were more bulky and lighter, so you wouldn't want to put it in a barrel necessarily for things to mash it up. You want them to kind of, keep them shape. So yeah, I have the barrel company that should be coming today. As I said, I'm doing a video on packing a barrel, so that, guys, you would have seen all together in a separate video. But here's the barrel. I actually I doubt this, but like Orin is like, I should try to see if they can actually squish it down and put it in the barrel as well. But I think I'll probably be pushing it, but I'll see, because I mean, it can squish down. I've sat on it and it flattened, but of course it's gonna, as soon as it's like no pressure is on it and air comes up, it's gonna reflate. But I mean, if it press down and then stuff it, it should be good. But the bar is full to the brim, so I don't really want to push it. But anyways, I am styling my wig because I want to put the mannequin head in the bag so I can able start packing all my things, because yeah, it's not like I can just you know, pack everything, then let's put this on top. I need to put this at the bottom. So yeah. Okay, so I am styling the way. I've reached a decent amount. This is the top. Yeah, these are those excessive boxes that, you know, for the items that I am carrying. I'm trying my best to get things together because I'm gonna be on the road tomorrow, so that's one less day to be packed and one less day stuck in the house. So that's one less day to pack, so I have to try to, you know, do as much as possible because I don't know what the other days hold. But yeah, these are just boxes of yeah, like Amazon food, because pack every different things in a barrel. And yeah, so this is here. After this, I'm gonna show you guys probably, I don't know, I'm gonna show you guys some things. This is probably gonna resemble, I guess, me packing from Jamaica because it's gonna probably be more than 1 day. But I'm actually in the process of getting ready. So let me show you guys a little bit of what's going on. Hey guys, boy, I feel tired a little bit. I have been kind of wrapping up everything, trying to get everything ready for my flight, which is Sunday. Today's Friday at night, and daylight it's still out. That's one thing I love about being up here. The daylight ends very late. Like, night doesn't come down until like 2-9, and I love that. But yeah, so what I did today is I kind of washed out my remaining dirty clothes. I need to lay out the clothes I'm going to wear between tomorrow and Sunday because I've already started to pack these suitcases, and I'm trying to get ready to like lock up everything by, what do you call it, by Saturday night. And the clothes then that I would have been wearing that's dirty, I would put it in my personal bag, which is my school bag, which is kind of empty. So boy, showing them suitcase, yeah. Boy, I mean, say stuff and pack stills in a man, like, you make fine work. These are my suitcases, but to be honest, it's not garbage. Honestly, these are just the bags I got most of the things in. So I'm just gonna, I guess, put it up to recycle because, you know, all we usually do in Jamaica, we'll put garbage in them bag here. Yeah, that's the style we bust up here. So anyways, that's the pillow. And best believe the suitcase looks tough, but I'm gonna squish that down and put on top. So I'm not putting anything else in there. If anything needs to rearrange, I'll still have time to do that, as to why I want to get that locked by Saturday night. And that suitcase there, I just want to kind of fix it up. I have some like underwear and them stuff that I'm gonna be wearing between today tomorrow and Saturday, as to why it kind of looks. So, and yeah, my school bag is pretty much empty, so that's perfect. I want to put those roses, probably those in there as well, and probably that goldfish snack. And as I said, the little dirty clothes that I have less, I tied up in a scandal bag. But to be honest, that suitcase is very empty. The items in it is very bulky. So my mannequin head, those 2 styrofoam heads, my hot tools, the big ass water bottles I bought in Five Below, those, it is very empty. Like, the suitcase is light. The suitcase not nowhere near the maximum weight that I've gotten. So that for sure said not much real and truly is not in there. But it looks that way because the items are bulky. But anywho, I'm almost finished. I was straight up blabbing and had a camera turned the other way. But yeah, I'm almost finished, and I just have a few last things because I was calling the airline because I have some other things that may come up, which is really happy if it works out well. And yeah, Sunday, I don't think I'm gonna, you know, I may check in quick on a Saturday night when I get everything locked, and then y'all gonna see me when I'm driving out to be flying out. Okay guys, so it's Saturday and we're taking up some last minute things. So I'm in Dollar Tree. I actually got some batteries. I was looking the first time I went into Dollar Tree, but I did not see any, so taking up 2 packs. I don't know if this is excessive, probably this is, but they'll last a while. Should I get to it? Yo, man, I have no reason for coming here and look. I just gotta look at some books. I don't know why. Yeah, I'm not really seeing anything. So if there's no more outside the aisle that I originally went in, yeah, I don't want none of those. Yeah, it doesn't seem like there's any out there. Okay. Alright, that's it for me in here. I think I'm gonna head over to Sally's because I want a dense brush for my wigs when it comes to applying it, the foundation. I'm gonna see if I can get one in there for relatively cheap. Yeah, I had just a look and the line got even longer. Yeah, this is rubbish. Inside Sally's. I think this is the first time this is coming Sally's. The last time I wanted to go to a beauty supply store, the person I was with said Sally's was for white girls. But it's odd, I say a lot of my influencers using here. This look at the section. Oh hell no. The ice cream shop, no, I got a video. Alright, that's it. It's in the same store as the cookie place. Let's go. Hi. What can I do for you? I really do. Okay guys, I got my ice cream and I can't believe we're reached already. I don't think it has been 10 minutes? Maybe, but I love ice cream. Anyways, so I'm kind of sad they don't have brownies, because that was a major topping that really made me remember this place. I don't remember how it tasted. Oh god, I look a mess. I really don't remember how it tasted the last time, but I just remember that I really wanted to come back here the next time I came to Georgia. But I mean, it's good. I'm enjoying it. Not lie. Yeah, just wish the brownies was there. I think probably that would have given me like yeah, this is what I remembered. Well, I don't remember, but yeah. Anyways, we are at the Home Depot to see if they have an item that I'm looking for. So, well, yeah. So this is just the last minute roundup. I don't really have much that I want to get because I don't really have that much space. Basically, I'm just trying to carry, I think I explained already, basically I'm just trying to carry one checking luggage and a carry-on. I already sent a bar, so I don't want to have that much things. Plus, I really don't have that much remaining things either. It's just because I have some bulky items as to why it's kind of difficult to like place the last few things I have. Excuse me. However, I think I look amazing. However, I think I have two relatives that's supposed to be coming here before the year ends as well, so that's also an option. So I took out one of the items, which is one of the two styrofoam heads. The one I took out kind of broke up. I don't understand all my bites, so I can't believe that some pick it up. But I believe that somebody it broke it and just tape it up. I feel like I had that, but it underneath hush. So yeah. And I think what I'm gonna do is just try my best to put my fat ass on my pillow, squeeze it out, put in a suitcase, sit on top of it, and just lock it up and be done with it. But that has to be done tomorrow morning because I'm gonna install my wig. Sorry, I look a mess. Damn, I'm gonna install my wig, and it has check luggage has like the spray, because of course I can't carry aerosol cans or liquid over a certain amount on the plane itself, like in the cabin, and then the blow dryer. So those are in my check. So I have to finish my suitcase tomorrow morning. My flight is 5:50, and I'll leave the house until about 2. Me is a girl but don't sleep, so it will be yeah, I'll have time to finish pack it in the morning, because when I get up, make breakfast and install it about probably 10 o'clock 9 o'clock, honestly, very early. And then I'll have I'll have hours to finish packing my suitcase, and really truly I'm just putting back the blow dryer, the makeup, and the pillow. Those 3 things. Yeah, we're in FedEx now, trying to get a box. Box is pretty big. Alright guys, I'm back at the house and I'm pretty much in the closing of this journey, as in getting ready to leave then, should I say it that way. So I'm gonna have a shower, and I think, well, I'm gonna move the bathroom things, well, like my face wash specifically, it alone, to the like sink, where I'll actually wash my face one more time in the morning before I install my wig, and put that up in my suitcase, or yeah, it has to be my suitcase, and the Probably 2 piece of I used to. I'm not left nothing. Well, I'm not say that, but still. Yeah, I'm gonna pack those up and I'm gonna have a shower, probably drink that soup, or I start packing the remaining things. I got the we stopped at Walmart again and I attempted to stop at Dollar Tree again as well to get a vacuum storage bag. That's pretty much it. You're gonna see it. Just put it in there, take out the air, get much more space. So I'm gonna do that for the pillows, which would really save me the mind numbing foolishness when I go through my head, forget it, home. So that's good. Morning, guys, and it is the day of me actually leaving. So it is like 7:56. I don't sleep on my bed, so I've been up way before that steps. But yeah, I think I get something to eat and just start my day because I am hungry. I never really eaten last night. Yeah, so I'm gonna eat. I just finish pack my suit, fix up myself because I need to put like the makeup and the blow dryer back into the suitcase. Fix up myself and finish pack. I mean, there is really nothing to pack. It's just to kind of close my last suitcase. And then, of course, when I'm ready to leave, shut down laptop, put in laptop chargers, SD cards. When I put in that from early, when I take off my clips then from now. But yeah, guys, today is the day of traveling. I checked in last night. However, when you saw that we went to FedEx, we got a box. So I think my uncle, well, yeah, if it continues that way, my uncle is gifting me a television. So he doesn't have the original box, so we needed that box. So we're gonna try to wrap it up, pack it up, and get that seat. So when we reach the airport, I'm gonna have to pay for that second check-in at the airport because the car that we were using, we only planned for one check-in luggage, so that was the only amount that we had. So that's gonna be a task. And Anthony, if you watch this, if I did ever know, say you did ever get so much things or that I sent so much, I'd never put all the things in my suitcase. I'd put some of them in the barrel. I'm gonna say why you man must get everything as my touchdown. Not even me. I would help here. I get half of my things them as me touchdown. It's alright. Just remember me whenever you decide to come up here or if you can't get to come up here, just it's alright. It's alright. Okay guys, so it is 10:32. That's still very early for me wanting to leave at 2, but the thing is that I don't know how it's gonna go when we trying to close that suitcase. So need these things from early. So I'm going to install my lovely wig right here right now. And I'll be back when it's all done. Ooh, and I am back. Ooh, honestly, ooh, yeah. Finally look like somebody. Yeah, just somebody overall. Finally look like somebody. But it's just after 11 now, so I got a lot of time. Apparently, my uncle is on the road. But I mean, I think we're supposed to leave here about 2 o'clock, which means that we still have a lot of time. Wait, let me flip it, let me flip it. Yeah, so we're supposed to leave here about 2 o'clock, which means we still have a lot of time if he's going to do business or what. Oh, I think you're going to church. Okay, so I think the last time I picked up the camera is when I was doing my hair. It's finished, as you guys can see. But like this is just the one thing when we eat about traveling. Customs. I think customs give everybody like anxious feeling or majority of persons when traveling back. And I think my problem is that like although I'm traveling light, I did send a barrel and I have been gifting a television. It's a gift. There shouldn't be any problem. But you just have some custom officer that just man, I put them on my head. God no, because before that them keep the not keep it in when I say nothing. But it's a gift. Plain and simple. It's not even in the original box. One bag of things in there for stuff it. Like it looks ghetto as hell. So hopefully that kind of does make them know say my uncle did have it to use and must pick it up and put it in one box to give it to me. In my other suitcase, it's like what is it? Yeah, I just hope because I'm using his scale and it says like 46. It's been saying a lot of different weights, but I'm working with the 46, so that's the highest. So hoping that mean I have 4 extra pound if the other scale won't be of like certain scale for like airport or shipping company, them extra, them very sensitive. So I don't think it should be outside of my next £4, hopefully. And then my carry on, it is stuffed to the brim. Remember the last time when I had a carry on that I was stuffed? Like the flight attendant while I was on the plane had to check it for me. So I just hope I'm able to check it even before, because every flight I've been going on so far, it's been full to capacity. So they gave you complimentary check-in for your carry-on luggage. But anyways, guys, it's after 1. What time is it? It's 1:25. I think my uncle and his lady went to church. Not sure if it's just regular service or it was an event, but yeah, he was saying like 2 o'clock for me to leave. So I think I'm probably just gonna put on my clothes and sit down. Not a big deal, and just kind of relax and charge my phone. I need to take the clips them off as well and just try to put these small things back into my Bible. And I'm watching a YouTuber of mine that I love watching, that kind of recently, I wouldn't say recently, but went through this process, and I remember the video. I'm kind of just watching it to see if it can calm my nerves, because she was in a similar situation like this, except for the TV. Yeah, I think she packed a barrel, but she had 3 suitcases. I only have 1. I have 1 check. I think she said she had 3 check. And I think she didn't have any problem. And she had packed a barrel too, so pretty good. Yeah, mama, good. I'm good. And I put them on my head. I've gone through the stress of customs already with people. They're trying to try me when they're younger, but that's the thing, I was younger. So I think that is why it probably even went that far, or why they didn't charge me. And I had nothing to be charged, to be honest. Them just did really unnecessary. But I'm not trying to put them on my head. People, never relax.
Baby, I see you working hard. Wanna let you know I'm proud, let you know that I admire what you do.
Okay, guys, so we're at the airport. I am nervous and excited. Oh my god, look at my hair, because I put on my sweater a while ago. Alright, yeah, so he kind of just dropped me off right here, so because he doesn't know how far we're going to have parking, and as I said, we have the television, and I have 2 suitcases and my backpack. So I'm just here waiting for him to get parking, and then we'll head in to the airport itself. I hope the process goes smoothly, because I'm not in any more excitement, but we'll see how it goes. Also, I'm manifesting good vibes, good airplane ride, smooth, nice and quick, and good run through customs. Like, just run through, like, get full, get my things them with ease, no problem, and just go through. Good vibes.
Don't know if I need to reassure you, my life will be purposeless without you. If I want it, when I ask you about it, you inspire me to be better, challenge me for the better. Sit back and let me pour all my love letter. Let me help you. Take off your shoes, untie your shoestring. Take off your cufflinks. You wanna eat food? Let me feed you. Let me run your bath water. Whatever you desire, I'll aspire. Sing you a song, turn the game on.
Alright guys, so about 5:17. I don't even know if you can hear me. It's 5:17 and I have enough time to go find my port. I think I'm going to stop and use the bathroom and just go sit down. I'm just tired. I can't bother. Place just crowded. Oh my god. Year 26. 33. Okay, here is our restroom. Woman. Okay, cool, it looks empty. Okay, God no, the tire bad. Me, I wonder why the hell over here looks so empty. No, so over here is empty bad. Empty bad. And I guess they're having the tourist theme going on because the shit that's on the wall.
Boarding call. All tickets confirmed passengers traveling to Kingston.
Jesus is Lord. Take seat and boarding start long time. So,
Go to the airplane.
Lord Jesus. Lord Jesus. When you get to that plane back for Jamaica, suitcase them can't fit. Can't manage. The suitcase is right beside me. Like the hell. I need somebody to come suitcase, some kind of a seat. I'm stressed out. Like, nearly when I miss my plane, the box for the TV, they had to charge us extra because it was bigger. Like, I went to the boarding section and said, oh, it's not empty. And I took seats, but only find out that the plane been boarded. Jesus, this are just not it. I'm still at work for getting seats. You want my seats? My bag now, I want space. My bag is finally put away. Alright, I'm gonna kind of fix myself right there. Alright, so I'm on the plane. I'm a little settled, or trying to get settled. Yeah, the flight seems to be rolling on time. It's 5:50 now, so it shouldn't be too long till it takes off. I would say about 10-15 minutes. Yeah, that's not on time, but it's not bad. So I'm going back home to Jamaica. I'm happy. I just, my mind isn't even on customs at this point. I just, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen, and I'm not gonna try to make anything but happen. I pray.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on this life. Whatever comes too quick. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight. All this jewelry ain't no use when it's this dark. It's my favorite part. We see the lights that got so far. It went too fast, we couldn't reach it with the heart. Wrist on the wrist, a link of charms, yeah. Laying with still a link apart. Like we could die all young, like you could die all blind. If we could see in 2020, twice we could see it till the end. Turn up, we gon' light up and burn up. Mama too hot like what? Mama too hot like a furnace. I got 100 G's, I'ma go, y'all. My diamonds gon' shine when the lights dark. You and I take a ride down the boulevard, and your friends really wanna break us apart. Good Lord, good gracious, staring at my diamond while I'm hopping out of spaceship. Need your information, take vacation to Malaysia. With my baby, the paparazzi flashing crazy. She swallowed the bottle while I sit back and smoke gelato. 20,000 patents Picasso. Bitch, you be dipping, dabbing with niggas like a nacho. Got the pen and diamond dancing like Ricardo. She having it when they call her.
Hurry, come on.
Yes, people, I'm back on the vlog again. As you can see, Shishalika there.
Hurry, those big on board people.
Me supposed to be on board.
Look at excitement, man. Look how long about 13 vlog now. You don't see him face. You don't even see him face.
Exactly.
And they have fight with me for those say them few words. The people why I'm staying, so I want to know say I me carry the channel on my back, you know. You see? Like how me carry all them luggage a while ago. I me.
Yes, continue to carry.
Yeah, that's so.
Baby, I see you working hard, wanna let you know I'm proud, let you know that I admire what you do. Don't know if I need to reassure you, my life will be purposeless without you. If I want it, when I ask you about it, you inspire me to be better, challenge me for the better. Sit back and let me pour all my love letter. Let me help you, take off your shoes, untie your shoestring, take off your cufflinks. Do you wanna eat food? Let me feed you, let me run your bath.
Oh, nobody asked me how was the ride.
Sure.
The plane, how was the trip, the flight.
I think how much there.
We do all.
You say last boarding
right, back to Jamaica.
Yeah, as in, you know, taking out on the air, landing, cruising, then something.
Alright, how was it?
It was terrible.
Got a message, must be terrible when you ask for
Right,
it
mommy,
generally.
I said not even 5 minutes of the air, the plane dropped. I said, what the bombards? Mommy, and you know what messed me up too? You see, me they get so used to the plane ride that going back and forth. And me go on a freaking roller coaster Thursday. So when I feel that drop, I remember roller coaster drop. And I say, yes, I got me dead now. Me I go to the ground. I said, Lord,
So why it did drop?
I don't know, I guess look at turbulence because the flight was really shaky. It was so bad. You know much time literally I start breathing hard. I was like, whew, whew. Maybe I try to compose myself. I try like my lock down, look a window bit, because I don't want to see what I go on because I see my lean right, I see my lean left. I can't manage it. The flight did bump in the backside. It did awful at the moment. We take 3 planes. And so I know, yeah, I remember this. I don't remember feeling anything on the other flights other than, you know, the incline and you see look up at the bottom, which they get used to by like the third the second flight. But the flight had been awful bad. There was even time when we reached over Jamaica. Maybe I wonder if we start descend already or what, because you know what the plane just drop slow. Guys, I'm back at the house now, and for some reason the place just feels different. The place just feels spacious, nice, ever clean. And I don't understand why the place feels so. It just feels bigger. Why?
But make no mistake, there are at least 4 or 5 shots a game that Clay Thompson has been able to.
Hey guys, and it's the next day, and yes, you can see I'm home. I would have said that last night, and you know it feels nice. It does, but I just remember that I didn't really say anything about how customs went, and I was making a big deal about it. It went fine. It went fine. I mean, the person who I went up to, I was like, I didn't want her because she just looks, but she was nice. She was okay. She was okay. So yeah, she just. I mean, she dig up in my check on and my personal bags, like little strap bag I had on the school bag, and the box, of course. I mean, I explained to her about the tea. There was a television, and then she just opened it, and it was wrapped up in like the comforter and everything. And she was like, "Oh, okay." Can't see said it's not a new TV. So yeah, and then she signed up my things because I shipped the barrel off. She gave me a little paper, so I must carry it on the passport. That's all. Eat my passport. I'm a TRN to work when I'm collecting it. So yeah guys, I think this is most pretty much it. I don't know if y'all want to see me unpacking in here's kind of a mess, because I had some things for my mother co-worker, and I just draw the bag in front of me, and Orange just decided to start it digging, and that's how the place ended up looking like this. So I need to get something to eat and then just pretty much start off my day. I'm like excited to be back. I'm like, I want to jump back into my wig business. I want to call around and ask about some personal work stuff. I'm like, I really didn't miss my asshole neighbors. Sorry. And I really didn't miss my crosses neighbors. They just be making so much noise. Oh, I didn't have none of that to deal with. I mean, the neighbors that I was around when I was up there were kids. So I had a little noise, but a little. Then I could have locked off from them. These people, Okay guys, so I've been meaning to come around here and show you guys this. I can't believe, like, literally returning home to see that the house or the yard has been burnt. Literally burnt down. We don't know who started this fire or how or what, but it's crazy. Burnt down the tree. And it doesn't even make any sense to start like sweeping up the yard because they're gonna fall off every day. So it's pretty much like a fall situation where we have to just wait till the leaves drop off. But it's crazy to see how burnt down the place is. Don't think, yeah, I think it's, let's see. The ackee tree is like no more, completely no more. Yeah, this was an ackee tree. Then there were mango trees. Well, as you can see, there's a lot of mangoes on the ground because there were like 2 mango trees there plus one that's hanging over from the house. It's crazy how the fire moved because I think it was from that direction because as you're seeing out further, there's still a little greenery. I don't know how this fire started, but to come home and see this is crazy. Wow. It definitely could have been worse because as you see the fire, I don't think the fire came upon the trees itself. Well, I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's the smoke that caused a lot of this. But yeah, a good amount of things got burnt. That's crazy. Come back home and see the place proper burn down. Oh boy. But things could have been worse, and I'm grateful that everything kind of worked out or stopped in time. But yeah, guys, yeah, this is definitely the end of this. This is the end of this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed most of it. Just kind of giving you an update. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast.